System pressure is stabilizing at optimal levels.
Batch 42 is ready for the first round of analysis.
Composition and fat content are within the required margins.
Entering the hardening stage now. Temperatures are holding at -30.
Dispatch. Pallet sequence 09 is moving to storage. All checks passed. This shipment is cleared for departure.
Initiating the midday calibration sequence for line 3.
The fat-to-protein ratio is perfect on the latest sweep.
Cooling cycle is holding steady at the target depth.
Slotting sequence for Sector B is now complete.
Another perfect production run. The network is fully supplied.
All systems reporting green. Starting the morning cycle.
Here is the first pull from the morning homogenization batch.
Packaging speed is optimal. Hardening tunnel intake is clear.
Pallet configuration confirmed for global distribution.
Final shipment is signed off. Production targets for the day have been exceeded.
The morning metrics look solid. Let's initiate the next homogenization cycle.
Preparing the reagents for the batch 43 analysis.
Homogenization is successful. Moving batch to the packaging phase.
Seals are tight. Barcodes are scanning correctly.
Pallet sequence 43 is being organized for cold storage.
The day's output is secured. Logistics is ready for dispatch.
Initiating pump optimization for the high viscosity batch.
Lab is clear for the microscopic fat globule analysis.
Line speed increased by 15%. Sealing integrity remains perfect. Quality certification is signed. The cold chain is fully secured for the European route.
Batch 43 is officially in transit. Great work today.
Logistics confirmed the arrival window. Let's start the sanitation protocol.
All lab equipment is entering the sterilization cycle.
Line 5 is static. Secondary seals are verified.
The morning batch has cleared the regional hub. Every metric is in the green.
Ready for the night cycle handover. Excellent production run today.
System is now under autonomous monitoring. See you at the next cycle.
Systems are primed. Let's get the morning batch moving.
Flow established. Batch 01 is in the system. Flow rate is stabilizing. The first batch is moving into the primary cooling stage.
Viscosity and particle size are within 1% of the target.
First unit is clear. Speed up the line to full capacity. First pallet of batch 01 is secured in Sector 4.
Dispatch is on site. Let's get these pallets loaded.
Truck bed temperature is verified at -25. Proceed with loading.
Batch 01 is officially in transit. Global logistics are updated.
Pipeline purge initiated. System integrity check in progress.
Manifold 4 is clear. No residue detected. Calibration for batch 02 is set. Ready to resume intake.
Batch 02 intake is live. System stabilization in 6 seconds.
Batch 02 is hitting peak homogenization. Flow is stable.
Here is the mid-cycle pull. It looks exceptionally consistent.
Packaging line 2 is primed and ready for the incoming flow.
Intake temperature is holding at -30. Perfect.
Global supply chain is active. Batch 02 is clearing the sorting hub.
Manifest signed.
The cold chain remains unbroken.
That is the final dispatch for the morning cycle. Everything is on schedule.
Initiating the sterilization flush. All valves are in neutral position. Surface swabs are negative for contaminants. The lab is ready for reset. Core temperatures are perfect. The hardening tunnel is holding its thermal seal.
Data sync complete. Batch records are archived and uploaded to the global hub.
Good shift. Let's get some rest before the night rotation begins.
Systems are looking green. Let's get the morning batch moving. Lab is initialized. Ready for the first homogenization sample.
Pressure is optimal. The flow is laminar and consistent.
Line 5 is live. Packaging integrity looks perfect.
Flow rate is stabilizing. Batch 01 is moving to the primary filters.
Particle size distribution is within 2% of the target. Homogenization is successful.
Seal integrity verified. Proceeding to hardening at full speed.
Batch 01 intake complete. Preparing for final dispatch.
Another perfect cycle. Let's head to the exit.
That is the final dispatch for the morning cycle. Everything is on schedule.
Initiating the sterilization flush. All valves are in neutral position.
Surface swabs are negative for contaminants. The lab is ready for reset.
Core temperatures are perfect. The hardening tunnel is holding its thermal seal.
Data sync complete. Batch records are archived and uploaded to the global hub.
Good shift. Let's get some rest before the night rotation begins.
Systems are looking green. Let's get the morning batch moving.
Lab is initialized, ready for the first homogenization sample.
Pressure is optimal.
The flow is laminar and consistent.
Line 5 is live. Packaging integrity looks perfect.